Introducing Micador Junior SoundShare Headphones made by MCONNECTED. For school, home, or while on the go, these headphones are perfect for your child and the person next to them. With a shared wiring function, multiple headphones can be connected together, listening to the same device. Safety features include that they're volume limited to 93 decibels to protect sensitive ears, which is within the World Health Organization's safe volume recommendation. Also, the cord is not fixed to the headphones, so when kids accidentally walk away, the cord detaches. Other highlights include the built-in high-definition microphone and the braided cord for durability. The headphones are light in weight and foldable, making them easy to carry. They're also available in 2 colour options, in blue-green and in dusty pink. Share the sound and get connected with SoundShare Headphones.